Alright, hello YouTube. How you guys doing? Hope everyone's doing fine. Today we're going to be doing a slug video with the impact and do one with my Dreamline as well. We're going to be trying two different types of slugs. Done a little bit of tuning, not a whole lot, so the groups that you see can, they can be gotten better. I haven't had a whole lot of chance, or a whole lot of time I should say, to tune as much as I would like to. Anyway, this is a 25 grain flatback. These are our new Griffin slugs. We finally found a name that wasn't taken. So for right now, these are available on eBay. I'll post some links in the description below to these and some other options if you guys are looking for some. So right now we're trying to come up with some slugs that are going to work good for the impact and some of the lesser powerful guns like the Dreamline and some other stuff. At some point in the future we've ordered a 17 cal die and a 25 caliber die. Those should be arriving, I guess whenever Corbin has a chance to get them complete, since they're special order items, so it might take a little while. But that's in the works. But for now, 25 grains in the impact, and we're going to be trying a 23 grain flatback in the Dreamline. These are both 217s. Just wanted to give you guys kind of an idea of what we're shooting at. These are our targets. These are the Smoke Ring brand, 12 by 18. They're marked out 1 inch by 1 inch squares. So just so you guys can verify, there's a 3 inch square. This is pretty much the same target that we'll use for all of our testing. So, or at least be the same dimensions. Might have squares instead of diamonds. But anyway, without further ado, we'll get to it. I'll try and throw my block of clay up there, show you guys some expansion, what these did at 20 yards at this speed that they're doing. So let's get to shooting. We got a fresh new target downrange at 50 yards. Once I have time to get out to my other range, we'll do some 100-yard groups as well, and all that good stuff. So let's get the camera fired up. This is for anybody that's curious about camera gear. This is a Casio Excellent EXZR 700, I believe. Alright, we'll try that one more time. Shooting over the chronograph this time. Hit my target. I'll throw both the videos in here, just so you guys can see the groupings. Alright, this time we're going to shoot for the bottom of the bullseye. This should give you some kind of idea of accuracy. We're shooting at the top and bottom half of a 1 inch bullet, 50 yards. Whoa. Alright, we'll try that one more time. Shooting over the chronograph this time. Hit my target. I'll throw both the videos in here, just so you guys can see the groupings. Alright, this time we're going to shoot for the bottom of the bullseye. This should give you some kind of idea of accuracy. We're shooting at the top and bottom half of a 1 inch bullet, 50 yards. Whoa. Alright, sorry about that. the impact, I ran out of ammo in my magazine, but at least you got to see some live shots of what the velocity was around 949 with a 25 grain. So now we're going to try out the 23 grain flatbacks. Out of the Dreamline. So the reg on this right now is set maybe just a little bit over 150. I got my hammer spring pretty hot, and I'm shooting on the C power setting. Mainly because I had my reg originally tuned at I think 165, and I left my hammer where it was to just get generally in the ballpark. And I've just started recently tuning the Allen key to get micro adjustments to get me right around that 900 mark, and that seems to be working pretty good. So if I can stop turning my camera off, I'll show you guys. Alright, we'll get there, I promise. Okay. Lock that down. Alright, so this will be on the right target. We're going to do the same thing, top corner of the bullseye.
902. $899. $901.
So that does it for that. Alright. So, I don't know why, for some reason this Dreamline, every time I put a scope camera on this, my groups get really weird. I don't know if that's just due to the harmonics of it changing from me shouldering the gun and sighting it in to, goddamn flies, get out of here, to me just holding it like this and trying to view through the camera. But I have an Eagle Vision side cam coming, so hopefully we'll see if that remedies it, because I just had this thing zeroed in shooting probably about a 1/2 inch group and maybe 3/4 inch group, and you guys just saw what it shot. So not horrible, not as good as it was doing, and it seems to do this every time I use the scope cam setup where I'm shooting off the bags like this. So I don't know if that's just a harmonics thing, not 100% sure. But I will say that's really kind of my only gripe with the Dreamline is it seems very delicate. You know, it doesn't take much to get a POI shift on this gun compared to the Impact or, you know, some of the other guns. But you know, once you got it on, it definitely shoots like a laser beam. So I'm gonna set up a block of clay real quick, and we'll do a shot out of the Dreamline at 901 with the 23 grains, and we'll do a shot with the 25 out of the Impact at 950, 949. So, alright, hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I'll put links to the slugs below, Griffin slugs. These are going to be available on eBay until we get our webpage up and running. But if you guys are interested in sample packs, we can make sample packs of any weight. So if there's something you're looking for and you don't see it listed, feel free to contact us, and we can make any weight that you want, from I think 20 grain up to I think 36 in boat tail, we might be able to go heavier. I will say that the 36 boat tails, I know the 34s for sure fit in these new side shot magazines. I think the 36s might have to be single loaded. Not 100% sure, I'll double check. But I know for sure the 34 grain boat tails do fit in the side shot magazines if you guys are interested in that. So, alright, we'll do a clay block test real quick and I'll let you guys get back to your day. Alright, this is the 25 grain impact at 950 feet per second. Ooh, that sounded nasty. Let's see if we can center this up. Alright, let's bring you guys in here. So there's the cavity there. There's all 4 of my fingers inside of it. And let's see, there's the slug. Let's see here, there we are. Let me set the camera down here. So that's the expansion we got on that guy. Turned it completely inside out. So one more time, give you guys a shot at the wound cavity. Pretty big. There's my hand comparatively. Alright, so we're going to reset this real quick and do the Dreamline next. Alright, this is the Dreamline, 900 feet per second, 23 grain flatback. It sounded good. What'd I do with my fishing line? Oh no. Uh-oh. There's my fishing line. Alright. See if we can center this guy up again. Bring you guys in for this. Alright. So we just kind of flip this around backwards from the other side. So there's the slug right there. You guys can see it. So it made it in about maybe 4.5 inches. Once again, about a 4-finger wound channel. And it shows you the depth there. And let's dig this little guy out here. Alright, once again, really nice expansion, turned it pretty much all the way inside out. That is what we're looking for. So, the side by side, so the 25 grain is on the right, and the 23 grain is on the left. So, alright guys, happy shooting. Let's see here. Oh yeah, so one of the other things, if you guys want custom weights or anything like that, we can make these in pretty much any weight. We can make sample packs. So we're just, in the process of testing out and see what's working the best. So if you want something specific, we can make it happen. I'll post links to all this stuff on eBay, and let's see here. That's about it. So hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.